In front of me is Honor Pad V9, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If it's not visible, just like in my case, select this gear one instead. Click on voice typing over here and tap on the gray switcher next to use voice typing to activate it. When your switcher turns blue, you can go back and tap on a now visible microphone. If you never used voice typing before, select while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you can pause or use the same microphone. You can also activate your microphone and click on tiny icon on the left. This one. Now hit next. Select done and operate voice typing from this toolbar. You can use microphone the same way. Delete text on the go thanks to this button with an X. Add emojis by tapping on this smiley face, tapping on any emoji, and then to get rid of this keyboard, tap on this X at the top left corner of it. If you wish to access some keyboard settings, click on those three lines on the left. To move your toolbar, hold it, drag it, and place it wherever you want to. And to go back to standard keyboard, use keyboard icon, also on the left. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!